Good morning, Internet. Okay, a quick update on the S3. Now, obviously the last time I talked about the S3 wasn't in the best of minds or the best frame of mind, but good news. The guy has had a visit, was very apologetic, phoned me straight away and offered to pay for the damage. So as far as I'm concerned, result really. Yes, it shouldn't have happened in the first place, and yes, he should have left a note, but that's all by the by now. The main thing for me is the car's getting repaired, and I'm going to get it back how I wanted it and how it was before the accident. So going to a guy in about half hour called Darren, who's a guy that's helped me out before. He sprayed the BMW before that I had, made a really good job of it. So he's taking the car in today, and yeah, basically in 2 or 3 days it will be back to normal again, which will make me feel a whole lot better. Let me show you what's happening. So the car's had a bit of a wash because I don't like it dirty, and I've also taken some of the markings off the door itself. So as you can see, the main bit is a crease down there. All that is pushed in. Obviously that protective panel there is all pushed in with it, but I think that'll straighten out, that's okay. So what the panel beater and spray is going to do is going to get some pulling devices on there. Obviously take this off first, pull it on there, get all that back out and straight again. And then basically he's going to be painting the door, the wing, and obviously blowing it in around the surrounding panels. So I know it doesn't look that bad, but you know, to me it sticks out like a sore thumb, and anybody that looks after their car will know exactly what I mean. It's just there all the time. It's the first thing you notice when you come up to the car, and it made me feel a little bit like I didn't want to drive it. As silly as that sounds, I know, because the damage is quite minor. You know, it's just a frame of mind. So like I say, he's going to pull that out there. There's a little bit of dinting on the wing there as well, and there's some scuffing up here as well. I don't think there's any more damage around there, but he may find some as he's going around. He knows what he's doing. I completely trust him. But there you go, it's going in the next hour or so, and hopefully in a couple of days it'll be back on the drive looking as good as new. Thanks for joining me, Internet, and by the way, thanks for all the positive comments. They really do mean a lot to me. Catch you later. Bye bye.